Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 10th, and this is my recap of the top view videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So the pound dollar has definitely been very, very sideways, as you can see. I mean, the trend is up ever since we had a break of structure to the upside last week, so I would definitely primarily be looking for longs. Like I mentioned this morning, though, if we do get a double top at any one of these fib levels and a significant break of structure to the downside, then I would probably stop looking for longs and consider looking for shorts again, because the trend is technically down on the very, very high time frame still. Now, tomorrow is CPI inflation data, normally a really big news event for the dollar, so definitely pay very, very close attention to any dollar trades that you're in tomorrow for the New York session. If we do get a big break of structure to the downside at a fib level, I would definitely take it as a short. If it doesn't and it continues this higher low, higher high series, then definitely continue to look for logs at the end of every single pullback you see. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.